You just found the 2023 Acura MDX. Luxurious, spacious, and powerful, the MDX is designed to meet the demands of your life in style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, lane departure warning, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, power passenger seat, power liftgate, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Don't miss the chance to experience the luxury and performance of the MDX. Call us today to set up a test drive.